Okay, today we will discuss in Python remaining portion of the sets. Sorry to say that I have not conducted the classes last week, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Why? Because I went to my native place, Chakicharla, that is near. It is in Ulapadu Mandalam. Okay, due to some functions, and I have utilized that time when I was in that village. I tried to interact with the youth to guide them towards the career guidance, as I promised that apart from that classes, programming classes, which are as I have promised that I am teaching Python, Java, C++, data structures and algorithms, and I have promised to keep so much of service towards the software engineering. So apart from that, I am also giving support to career guidance from zero to hero, means 10th to from 10th to upper studies. Okay. Whenever job notifications are there, I will intimate them. Okay. I will keep that information, job information in my channel. Okay. So that's why last Friday, Saturday, Sunday, means that is what the dates are, what 3 days I have not conducted the classes. That is what January, last 2nd, 3rd, 4th of February. In February, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 3 days I have not conducted the classes. Okay, that is the reason I told you that I went for village. Okay, due to some personal functions. Okay, now let us discuss the remaining part of the program in Python, that is sets. Okay, in the previous class, we tried to understand about the sets for loop, how to use for loop to access the items. Okay. Now today I am using this PyCharm code editor, IDE integrated development environment, because I want to familiarize apart from this Visual Studio Code, this PyCharm also, PyCharm Community Edition. Okay, I want to use this, so that's why you will be familiar with this PyCharm. Okay, PyCharm code editor. We are using here what? PyCharm code IDE. Added integrated development environment, which will support to write the code, edit the code, and compilation. Here interpretation, interpretation and execution. Okay, that is IDE integrated development environment, PyCharm code editor. So now let us try to understand that is what sets remaining portion. In the previous somewhat methods which are related with the sets, we have studied. For loop also I have briefed. Today I want to use sets in Python. Okay, come down here. Okay, to check a value is present in a set. Okay, let us see. To check a value is present in a set. Okay. So let us take a set, declare a set, any set. Suppose student is a set. Okay. I told you that set always be represented in flower braces. Okay. Suppose student, it is a set. So Ramu, student set has the student names. So always the values must be stored because these are string values. String value will be kept in double quotation or single quotation marks. So here two string values I have kept student names. Now here one more string value in double quotation marks, Sita. So the string value, it is a student is a set, string set. Okay, because string values are there. These string values written in single quotation marks, this Sita written in double quotation. Now it is a set. Now to check a value is present in a set. Now let us check Vasu is present in set, student set. So for that, we need to write the code. Okay, print, okay, Vasu, okay, print Vasu in set name. What is our set name? Student. Okay, if you write like this, then you will get the Boolean value. If Vasu is present in this set, so you will get true, otherwise false. So let us try to run this code, list 3. What true value we have gotten true. Okay, now so this is the way if you want to check any value which is present in the set. Okay, now after that, in the previous classes we have discussed that in a list we can't change the values. Okay, once set is created, we can't change the values. Okay, but we can add items by add method. Already I have discussed it in the previous session. Okay, so now and sets are unordered. Already I have briefed, means this order whenever you want to get this print. So the print students student means that moment what happen if you that sets order may be changed. Okay, whenever you are requesting, suppose one more time you are requesting for print, maybe order means there's no need to follow the order. Okay, second time also you are requesting that moment. Let us see what will be the here as per the order it is printing, but may not. Okay, there is no any rule to follow the order. Okay, understood that. So set values are unordered. Next to what? And already I have briefed that these values can't be accessed by the name of the index. Okay, because they are not ordered. Means this is the 0 index position, this is the 1 position, this is the 2 position. But time to time, these values, whenever you are requesting repeatedly printing, so values be changed at their positions. Maybe Ramu may be displayed at the last, Sita may be displayed at the starting. So their index positions will be changed. So we can't access element using index. Okay, suppose if you want to access an element, print, okay, print here, if I pass square bracket and 0, what is the meaning of this? I am looking for student, okay, at 0 index, student set 0 index, whatever the portion at 0 index Ramu I want to get. But here I told you that these values will not follow the order. There is no any index. But I want to access at 0 index whatever the value. Okay. Why it is giving error? Because this is a string. So you have removed the open quote, single quotation. That's why it is giving error. Why it is giving error? What is this? Student. You remove this Sita double quotation marks. Now it is okay. But student, you copy, you cut, you keep the values here. Okay. That's why paste. Now you request for the student print. Okay. Now here you want to get the value at 0 position, but set will not follow the index. So it will give error. Where is that? This is the set object is not subscriptable. This is the one more time. If you run this code, type error. Type error set object is not subscriptable. Means you want to get the zero index of student set. So it is not possible. So on, keep it on hash. Next word. So for that, we can't access the value by indexing, but we can check the value which is present in a set. Okay. Like this. Like this, just I have used that value. Where is the to check a value is present in a list. This is what. So print. Okay. What is that? Vasu is in Vasu. No need is in student. Okay. Student is what Vasu. String was in student. Means we want to check this string is in student set. So you will get the false value because Vasu, you I have missed here. Just I want to check back. You will get false. So you will get what? False. Okay. So we can do that. Okay. Next is what? Let us try to understand the set operations. Set operations. Set operations. What? Union. Okay. Mathematical operation, intersection. Okay. Difference. So we'll try to understand some mathematical operations. Okay. Maths operations. Huh? So what are the set operations? Union. So first of all, unions means by this union math operation is what? To join the sets. Union method. Method means brackets. Huh? Union method used to method no need to write here. You simply write brackets means it's a method. Union method used to join two or more sets. Two or more sets. Okay. Now suppose this is a set student and declare one more set here. So one more set you can write student, 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 student. So numbers. Num is a set. Okay. Num is a set. So 10, comma 10.5, comma 45, comma 25. These are the values stored in this set. Okay. So now what happened? Two sets are there. One is student set. This is having all the string values. This is one more set declared with integer, some float value. Okay. Now I want to join these two sets by union method. Huh? Let us try to understand. So how can we do that? Let us now create a new set. Suppose you write this union, one more variable you create, name you keep union set is equal to, okay. This is a variable which hold the values of by combining of these two sets. One set is that, another set is here. So how to do that? So simply you write that student bar. Bar means this is what, where is that bar? This bar. And now, so what it gives, now a new set will be given and it will hold print bracket. You ask for print union set. So union set is a variable which is holding the values of both the sets. Okay, joining of the both the sets means these string values and these integer values will be joined. A new set will be returned. So now run this, okay. Let us see what happened here. So student, no, is that okay? Student, none, student. Missing white space around operator. White space. Where is the white space? Okay, okay. So if it is not done, we have another way. We will use union method. Okay. This is the way we can do like that. Simply we can use this. Okay. This operator. Okay. Otherwise, if it is not okay, we can use that. Okay. So now come down. So I want to run this code. Run. So it is not giving any. So no issue. I am using here the method use union method. I am using what? Union method. Method means brackets to use it to join sets. Two or more sets. Huh? Join two or more sets. Just I have taken here two sets only. Here now create one more set, set 3. So this set 3 will hold all the values set 1 there is no any set 1 here student dot. Once you keep the dot operator, you will get all these methods. These are the m means methods. Okay. This is I told you that this is the IDE, PyCharm IDE. Within this, we need to use a method, this method, union method. Okay. Now use this method union of what? Okay, student dot. These values will be joined with what? This set num. To pass num. So now what happened? If you ask for print set 3, now what happened? The set 3 will hold the value set 3 will return a list of students and num. Both the values joined. Now print. You take for print. Is not being run. So we do one thing, na? We will keep this as comment section. Okay, under this comment. Okay, now we want to run this code. Okay, this is we are getting. Okay, actually it is being executed, but we were unable to see this. Now both the sets are combined values. This is Vasu and Sita, Vasu Ramu. Vasu Ramu is where? Vasu Ramu, Ramu, Vasu, two Vasu. So I told you that set will, if you give duplicate values, Vasu is here, Vasu duplicate values. But at the time of printing, it will take only one value. Okay, so here Vasu has added the both values. You do one thing, you keep this in double quotation marks. If you run this code again, you try to run, what happened? So, okay, now all the values, the values of what 10, 10.5, 10, 10.5, 45. There is no any order while it is adding. There is no, it is not following any order. Okay, you remove one value here, no issue, and you run list. So you are getting this list like this. So values are joined. So what about this previous code? I have written union. You open this flower hash. So now run this code one more. So this is also, it is also being executed. This is the way, one more way. First first way I have used that. This operator I have used. This is the operator for union. Okay. So same, I am getting the same values. Otherwise, you use the union method, use it to join two or more sets. This is the core syntax. Otherwise, you can simply, if two are there, two sets are there, use this. If one more set is there, one more set is there, one more set is there, or suppose a float is a variable which is having all the float values. Okay, all the float values. Within that only it is having only float values. Okay. So it is a set having float values. You want to combine with, so here one more operator, same, and floats, okay. Now, whenever you call this union set, so it will take, join all these set values. Now you run this code. So now what happened? That set one more. So as I told you that union method, otherwise this is what this operator, union operator is for maths union operation will be used to join, okay, two or more sets. Okay, two or more sets. Now it is okay. Three sets are joined. Okay. Now come down. Next what? Next operation, union. Union method I have used here. One more method you can use here, update method also. You can use the update method. Use update method also.